Bella, I love you. It's my birthday.
Happy birthday.
Can I ask for something?
Okay.
Kiss me, you fool!
Do I have to?
Pucker up.
It's time! Happy birthday, Bella.
Thanks.
You even got a cake.
What? You guys don't even eat.
What are you, racist against vampires or something? Here's your present, Bella.
Thanks. Paper cut.
Bella, I just can't put you through this anymore. Sorry, it's the last time you'll ever see me.
I need my mommy!
Edward's not here to protect you anymore, and you're so mouth-watering.